welcome back to my channel. I hope you're keeping well and safe. So today I'm back with another Lookfantastic beauty box unboxing tutorial, and before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, and hit the notification bell so you know every time I've uploaded a new tutorial. This month's box is like a nice peachy colour. It is a very spring colour, and the theme of the month is knowing the ingredients, skincare routine and what's in your product. These are the products I've received in this month's box, and we also have the Edit magazine, and as usual there's an editor's note. They give us their top 4 picks so we can get any of these products. On the Lookfantastic website it gives us an overview of what the April box is all about, and it states that April is all about the ingredients here on Lookfantastic Beauty Box, from peptides and AHAs to fruit concentrates and botanicals. We're celebrating all of the little things that go into making some uniquely powerful formulas. This month your fabulous beauty box is worth over an incredible £105. Rejuvenate and rehydrate your complexion with this month's indulgent box. So let's go through the top 4 picks. The first item is an Australian body care tea tree oil. This is 10ml and it's used to cleanse your skin and hair. It's pure 100% tea tree oil. Now in the editor's note magazine it says that we can use this for minor burns and toothaches, but we have to dilute it from 1 part this to 10 parts water or vegetable oil. Let's try it over this. Oh my god, that smells really strong. Next we have the Kingsley booster, which is 20ml and is worth £4.50. Now this is like a hair cuticle and treatment, and it tells us that before shampooing we should thoroughly wet our hair and apply it into sections. Work into hair with fingertips, cover with a shower cap and leave for 20 minutes or 60 minutes and then rinse. So it's a bit like a hair mask. We also have the Other Lip Balm, which is 10ml and worth £56. In the magazine it states that this lip balm hydrates the lips, and it combines a formula using hyaluronic acid and shea butter, which aims to penetrate deeply into the lips to hydrate and instantly improve the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles around the mouth. It tells us that we should smooth over lips for dewy and hydrated finish. Item 4 is this Verso Hydration Serum with Niacinamide, which is 10ml and worth £25.64. Now this is an anti-aging moisturiser which should be used in the morning and in the evening as part of our daily skincare. We also have this Elemis Soothing Apricot Toner, which is 50ml and worth £7.50. Now you just use this as part of your normal daily skincare routine before you apply moisturiser and after you cleanse. Then we have this Aromatherapy Associates De-Stress Muscle Gel, which is 40ml and worth £7. It says here on the back that you just massage directly into any problem areas to experience the warming and easing powers of rosemary, black pepper, lavender and ginger, helping to soothe and recover. You can really smell these ingredients from like the packaging. And finally we have this Oat Gel Moisturiser by Aveeno. Now this brings me to the end of my unboxing tutorial. The box is supposed to be worth over £105, and I have just calculated this and I come to a sum of £109.63, and this price excludes this little sample that I have received, and I would say this box is great value for money. As usual, I will list all the products I've received in the description box below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys found this useful, and I will see you guys in my next tutorial. Take care for now. Bye!